my duck boots?
I have it.
I gotta put some spit.
I don't even know if I can put these on.
I just popped the tube.
Are you serious?
What? I'm just kidding.
Good. Kids. Including all of us.
See again.
Hey,
I made the investment. I'm wearing them.
Yeah, they're good boots.
Yeah.
All right, what's the plan? We're gonna go out and stand in the rain.
Yeah,
Let's
we're
take a
gonna
picture
do
of
the
us.
scene across the street up on the next avenue.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
This
Now
is
just
performance
remember to
art.
go a little
This
sideways.
is performance
Just
art at its
A
highest.
little tip when you
wait.
go out the door so we don't blow our bubbles or pop our
Tubes.
our
Pop our
fancies here.
Walk.
Hold your trombone.
Huh? How do I?
Okay.
I think you gotta
That's what
hold your trombone with
Oh, sorry, I'm a loser.
hold your trombone with one hand and hold your tube with your other hand.
Careful. Clear the door.
And try not to pop your tube.
It's probably play something.
We're ready.
How did you serenade the neighbors? Let's go get them.
Yeah, let's do it. Ready?
Who's that, Dave?